You don't choose your family, but you do choose who you surround yourself with. And in this case, I may not have been able to pick Brienne as my sister, but I choose her every day. No one else would have fit the job or done as well as she has. Brienne's love language is sarcasm, and thankfully that has turned into mine as well. Who better to teach me than the expert herself? Except when I was little, I didn't quite understand the language. Never have I wanted someone to like me more in my life than Brienne. There hasn't been a second throughout the relationship that my appreciation for her has faded.
I have died every day waiting for you. Darling, don't be afraid. I have loved you for 1,000.
He may be my younger brother, but he's become my role model. He's always inspired me to be a better person and to never give up on my dreams. Because with hard work and determination, he's taught me anything in this world can be achieved.
Time stands still, beauty and ocean.
She has the biggest heart of anyone I know. She has never let me down, even when she thinks she has. She's made me grow as a person, taught me my feelings are valid, and that our connection is a priority.
He's a fighter, and I mean that in the best way possible. He's the type of person you want in your corner because no matter what the task is, he's going to accomplish it.
I have died every day waiting for you.
She was and still is the coolest person I know, and I couldn't get over how amazing she is and was to me. Her love is unconditional. I continue to stand as her best friend, #1 fan, and sister.
All along I believed I would find you.
I'm so happy he found Bree because as I've gotten to know her, she shares so many of the same qualities. She's also a fighter, compassionate, smart, but she's also beautiful. One area where Frank leaves a bit to be desired.
From this day forward, I vow to love you for who you are yet to become. I vow to share my whole heart with you and help you realize your dreams. I vow to show you how deeply I care for you in good times and the inevitable difficult times we will be challenged with. I know there is nothing we cannot overcome together as a team. I love you, Bray, and I'm honored to now call you my loving wife.
Today and every day out, I vow to not rush anything, to not wish for anything to pass by quicker, to never take any day for granted. I vow to pick you up whenever you may be down, to be your biggest fan, to always be in your corner, and to remind you that you'll never have to face anything.
All along I believed I would find you. Time has brought your heart to me. I have loved you for 1,000 years. I love you for 1,000 more.
Frank, you are caring, you're loving. I can't give you enough adjectives about how we feel about you. We could not be more proud to call you officially our son-in-law. Love you. Love you.
Tonight, I'm having the time of my life, my life. Above the diamonds in the sky, below my feet is gold, and I'm never gonna leave this place, never wanna leave this place. Like a scene from
With this ring, I gladly marry you and join my life to yours.
With this ring, I gladly marry you and join my life to yours.
Frank, you may kiss your bride. For the very first time, Mr. and Mrs. Descendant.
She has been my mentor since I can remember. She taught me everything I need to know on what not to do, unless I wanted to piss mom and dad off. But it's that fire that inspires me.
The world is about to get a new power couple, and it's going to be so much better off because of it. Welcome to the family, Bree, and congratulations to you both. I couldn't be happier for you guys.
I love you both with all of me, and I'm proud to be a sister to the both of you. I love you guys.
On your table is some limoncello. For those who don't know, this is a drink from southern Italy, sometimes Sicily. It's meant for sipping before or after your meal, okay? But if you feel so inclined to do so, this is our shot. Wishing them all the success, all the love, okay, and hopefully children in the future.